Hello, welcome back. My name is Amelia. In this video we are going to add what is called a gravatar to our user profile, and you probably see here with under the recent comments here that there's an image of me beside the comment that I made as a test comment. So how do we add our image in there? So we need to add something called a gravatar, and gravatar is on a separate site, just integrates with WordPress. So whenever you go to someone else's site and you make a comment, you need to add a URL or an email address, and that email address, WordPress picks up that email address and goes, oh, is there an image for that? Yes, there is, and then they display it. So anytime that you're adding in an email address into a comment section, most of the time it'll bring up that image of you that you have assigned to that particular email address, and that's what gravatar is all about. So let's open up a new tab here, and I've got gravatar there in the search. So let's just go ahead and do a search in Google, and it's the first result that comes up. So we've got the globally recognized avatar. So that's what a gravatar is. It's a globally recognized avatar. So let's click on that, and it'll take us to the homepage of gravatar.com. And what we can do is just here, you've got your email, enter your email to get started, or you can do a sign in. So let's type in the email address and click get your gravatar. And now to sign in with gravatar, you don't need to do any other kind of filling in a form, but you do need to have a wordpress.com account. Now, if you don't have one at the moment, you've got these two little links here, which will bring up a pop-up window. So let's click on the pop-up window. And once it loads, it's going to check that my email address is okay. We can then give ourselves a username and a password. So let's put in Miss Emily, and already exists. No. Let's see if that one exists. There we go. And let's add in a password. And sign up, and we should be now taken back to gravatar. Let's see if it does it. There we go. So now it's signing in for us. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, it's because we haven't activated the account. Sorry, I'm just going to pause it here. I'm just going to activate the account. Okay, so I just went into my email account and clicked on the activation link, and it brings you to a saying thank you for confirming your email address, and now you can sign into gravatar. So clicking on that, let's see where it takes us. All right, so it's taken us to the main screen there, and it's got our email address there that's saying our primary email address. We can now select an image and assign it to that particular email address. So if we go into this add one by clicking here, we can then find an image wherever we've got an image somewhere to upload. You would upload it, and then it would be available for you. So let's click on hard drive. I'm just going to try and browse through one very quickly. Let's see if I can find one of Miss Emily. There she is. Let's see if it'll upload it for me. Oh, nice. So now we can crop it. So just going to leave it like that. Crop and finish. Make it a rating G. It's definitely not PG, R or X rated. So let's make it G rating. And that's all done. So if we now go back to our dashboard here, and let's grab the email address. Go back to our dashboard here. Let's go back into our user profile. Let's now change the email address and click Update Profile. We should see a change in the avatar. Thinking. All right, let's go back to the dashboard. I can see it's already changed up there. See, there we go. It's already changed there in the user profile there. Go back to the dashboard. There we go. So that's how to add in an image to your author name. So using that gravatar, adding in your email address, assigning an image to it, and then this should automatically update. You don't need to update your email address or anything. Because I had a different one in there, I had to add the new one in so the gravatar would show. Alright, so that's it for that video. In the next video, we're going to go through some general settings to make sure everything's set up ready for you to start posting some content onto your site. So we'll go through that in the next video. Okay, bye.